Bam! Guess what today is, guys? It's closing day. Yes, we're at 719 Seacliff. We've been in this house for 72 days. But when I mean closing day, I mean my wife and I have already gone to closing and signed. The buyers are signing at 10:30. So we literally bought this on August 15th, and we are out of this house in 72 days. So one of my points about investing, I may have mentioned in a previous video, is velocity. A lot of times people who try to flip houses get hung up. They're in a house for 3 or 6 months, 9 months, a year. You're not turning your money very fast if you're doing that. So just to throw out some generic numbers for you guys, and I'll let you do the math. It's really not about trying to show what our profits are, but it's trying to show you that you can make money doing this. We bought this house for $137,500. We're selling it today for $222,000, and we put about $53,000 into it. We did have it under contract for $230,000, but the appraisal came up a little short. We were kind of pushing it. Also, the home measured a little smaller than was on the tax roll. So if it had been that size, it actually would have been appraised at about $231,000. So we took a little hit there, but that's okay. We've got a young couple with a new baby buying the house. It's actually the son and daughter-in-law of one of my past clients who saw one of the videos. So anyways, you've seen the house, you've seen the pictures online. We really just kind of want to reach out and tell you it's been great sharing this with you. We do have other houses that we're working on, but if you guys are interested in investing in homes, give me a call, send me a message, stop by our office. We can help you find properties. We have the contractors that can help you flip it and help you make some money, because I will tell you, when you do the rate of return, it's significantly more than 10% on an annualized basis, okay? And I use 10% like a standard market, 10, 12, 15, whatever. All right, you guys have a great day. Stay dry. It's nice and cool out, so that's kind of refreshing. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.